Struggling to get a hold of your Webform leads? Here's how to fix it. In the fast-paced world of aesthetic and refractive practices, staying ahead of the competition means capturing and converting leads quickly. Yet, many practices struggle with one common issue: getting a hold of their Webform leads before they lose interest and move on. If your practice is missing out on potential patients due to slow response times, you're not alone. However, there are simple and effective solutions available to help you engage leads faster, automate follow-ups, and ensure no opportunity is left behind. Before we focus on follow-up, there's one key thing to ensure you have in place: the correct call to action. If your call to action is ask a question or contact us, and it is not framing the next step, which is the consultation, your Webform leads will inevitably be weaker, and it doesn't matter how good your follow-up is. Assuming you have the right call to action, let's explore some of the best strategies to solve this challenge. First, speed to lead, the 10-minute rule. Numerous studies have shown that responding to a lead within 10 minutes dramatically increases the chances of engagement and scheduling. Yet, with a busy practice, responding that quickly can be challenging. This is where technology makes all the difference. By implementing automated follow-ups, missed call text back, and AI-driven solutions, your practice can maintain rapid response times without adding to your team's workload. Let's take a closer look at how these tools work. Automated follow-up. Keep leads engaged instantly. One of the easiest ways to ensure a quick response is by leveraging a smart CRM like Advanced Leads. As soon as a potential patient submits a web form, the system automatically sends a personalized follow-up via text, email, and even a ringless voicemail. These custom templates pull in lead data, making each message feel tailored rather than robotic. With automated follow-ups in place, your practice can create a seamless and engaging experience that keeps potential patients interested and ready to take the next step. Missed call text back. Never lose a lead again. Missed calls can be a major source of lost revenue, whether it's during business hours when your staff is busy or after hours when no one is available. Every missed call could be a missed patient. With missed call text back, your practice can automatically send a personalized message to the caller, letting them know that you'll follow up or giving them an option to schedule a callback. This simple yet effective tool keeps the conversation going, ensuring that potential patients don't slip through the cracks. AI Patient Coordinator. Smart, hands-free communication. AI technology is transforming patient engagement. With an AI Patient Care Coordinator, you can let AI handle conversations with leads, answering questions, providing information, and even scheduling consultations. Once a lead responds to an automated message, the AI coordinator takes over, engaging in a natural conversation via text. Best of all, it's trained to match your brand's voice, service requirements, and practice preferences, ensuring a professional and personalized experience. Online booking. Give patients the freedom to schedule anytime. Not all leads want to wait for a callback. Some prefer to book their consultation and treatments on their own schedule. With an easy-to-use online booking system, your practice can provide direct scheduling links for various services, allowing leads to book an appointment immediately, even after business hours. This added convenience increases conversions by giving patients control over when and how they schedule, removing unnecessary barriers to booking. The solution? Advanced Leads. If you're ready to streamline your lead management and boost conversion rates, Advanced Leads offers all of these features and more in one powerful platform. Automated follow-ups that engage leads instantly, missed call text back to capture every opportunity, AI Patient Coordinator for seamless conversations, online booking to allow leads to schedule 24/7. Stop letting Webform leads go unanswered. Take control of your practice's growth today. Call us now or visit our website to learn more about Advanced Leads and start converting more leads effortlessly.